This one is in really bad shape and basically just needs to be replaced. And the other ones don't really have any curb rash, but they're very scratched up. This could be restored, but honestly, I found a much better option right here. And what we have here are PVD chrome wheels. So these are the factory wheels, and this is an exchange program with thewheelexchange.com. So I have to send them these wheels back in. That one's probably junk, but they'll be able to redo these 3 wheels and then eventually sell them to someone else. So PVD chrome is different than normal chrome. It's not chrome plated, so we're not gonna have the effects of salt where it peels it up. This is a much more durable finish, and it's lighter than chrome plating as well. So these guys do this all in-house. They have thousands of wheels ready to ship out, or you can just send them your wheels in on an exchange program, so you don't have to have any downtime with your car. You can hang on to your stuff, get theirs, and then you ship everything back after you've taken off your tires and whatnot. So I really like this program. It's a local American company. They have really good customer service and super fast shipping, and they're giving me a coupon code. I think it's legit. I'll have to verify. It'll be in the description box down below, but it's gonna get you like $100 off your next set of wheels. They were super into the CTS-V wagon project, and we spoke, and they hooked you guys up. So thanks, thewheelexchange.com. Anyway, I think chrome wheels are gonna look so good on this, and since it's a daily driver, I don't wanna have to mess around with them peeling and whatnot. So this is what we have going on. Here we go, here we go. Chrome wheels. Look at these chrome wheels. Look at them. Let's go back to the sun. I like chrome when it's done right, and in my opinion, this was done right. From the factory, the car came with chrome accents, and I think these chrome wheels just really set it off.